Oh my god, this is the worst software to use. It's not the network, it's the software I'm using. For some reason the software keeps disconnecting and reconnecting. It's the first time I'm trying to use this. I mean, people say it's the best one to use to stream. Um, but I don't know why it's doing that, because everything. What is this now? Stream health. Stream health is healthy. Okay, I don't understand what this is. Why this is. BTV is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. I don't know. Well, we just need about 40 minutes to go, and then I'll try and fix the problem for tomorrow. Try and fix it. For now, there's nothing I can do about it. Don't know why it's being like that. So I'll try and sort the issue for tomorrow, and then yeah, maybe I need to find another streaming software to use. Hey bro, do you trade EU too? Um, I do, but not on this live stream. On this live stream, I'm only going to be trading GBPUSD. Like I said, I do have a portfolio that I manage, and I do diversify a lot there. But it's more like a swing trading, long-term trading that I do. Um, in regards to day trading, I only day trade on the GBPUSD only. I don't day trade on any other currency pair. So yeah, to answer your question, well, I say yes and a no. You're never gonna see me trading EU here on the stream, on the live stream that I do. However, I might do some analysis on the EU, but I'm not going to trade it. because with my strategy, it's only works on the GBPUSD. I will have to do a lot of research, a lot of back testing to understand the behavior of the EU on a daily basis for me to be able to trade it. Um, Said Mohammed, I'm an old follower, man. Back with them harmonic trades. Yeah, harmonic trades are nice. I like harmonic trades. I still do it, but again, that's another strategy that I only use um for the swing and long term trading. I don't day trade. Day trading, it's hard to use harmonic to do day trade on a 5 minute time frame. It's just the results are not going to be as consistent as how you would like it to be. Um, okay, I only trade EU, but now I'm watching, looking forward to the session. Okay, no problem. Well, the good thing is you are going to be picking up a lot of kind of useful information, I would say, because I do talk sometimes, try to kind of explain to you guys, how it is, like to kind of understand trading in general, because you know on your journey to be a profitable trader, there's going to be a lot of obstacles that you're going to have to face, and you're just going to have to find a way to deal with it. And some people, they need, you know to see other people who have been there, who can guide them in a way. So obviously my main aim of doing this live session is to be able to kind of at least try to give you guys some kind of a direction, and to try to show you that, actual trading, it's not about. I know that you might have seen people on the internet posting, showing you amazing results in trading where they never lose, and like, this is real trading where you are gonna lose, you are gonna face drawdown, but the most important thing is just to be consistent. Like, follow your strategy, consistently trade your strategy, and yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, no way for the day trades. No, I'm not gonna do EU for the day trades, unfortunately. Unfortunately, yeah, because I would just be like a blind man, just trading something that I have no, like, way of knowing how successful the particular strategy is gonna be. I mean, I could trade it. I could do a day trade on that just using my random trading knowledge in terms of, either patterns or resistance, supports, or all those things that you learn. But that would not be ideal, because like, even with those kind of things, man, you don't know how often they work on a daily basis on day trading. So um yeah, that's really why, you're only gonna see, because this with GBP USD, I understand those patterns, those behaviors. I do understand how the market is gonna move pretty much, and I know what my strategy is gonna give me. So that's why I'm gonna come here every day. You're gonna see the level of consistency. Like, the first trade, I always place my first trade at exactly 12 o'clock. It's never gonna be 5 minutes before, half an hour before. It's gonna be at exactly 12 o'clock, plus or minus 1 minute. But yeah, it's always gonna be 12 o'clock. And the second trade will always be at 1 o'clock, providing the market has the market is below my entry, near or below my entry. Then I will be adding more positions, and there's probably going to be extreme cases where I would also add a third position, um, just depending on where the market is. Obviously at 2 o'clock, like I said before, the New York sessions, and but in this case, obviously, I haven't had the chance to add to my first position, so I will be closing my trade at around 2 o'clock. Hopefully, the market will have given me 30 pips by then, at least 30 pips by then, and yeah, we'll just leave to fight another day. We'll come back tomorrow and trade tomorrow again. Same time, 12 to roughly 3 o'clock. So at this moment in time, the market has moved. The market has already moved 30 pips, for my entry position. Almost 30 pips. So if it goes back to this structure level, I will likely be closing my trade. Let me just check what the fundamentals for the. Good afternoon, Chaika Jacob. I'll just call you Jacob, because I don't know if I'm pronouncing the first name correctly, but yeah, good afternoon. You're a little bit late, an hour and 40 minutes late. Even though I have had to, one of the major stream that I was doing kind of had cut, so I had to start a new one. But you can still watch the other stream. That was an hour and half an hour long. It's 1 hour 40 minutes, about 1 hour 40 minutes long, and this is gonna be a bit shorter because this will be ending soon, probably 2 o'clock. So just trying to check the fundamental in terms of what news we're expecting to see today. No, there's nothing really major. I mean, jobless claims and GDP. They're all coming at 130. Okay, so we might get some volatility in the next. But really, the market giving me 30, 40 pips. I will be closing my trades. And okay, so we're all the way in 30 pips. So I will be closing my trade now. What is this? One click. Oh shit. So that'll be the end of the trade. I say unfortunately the market did not do what I wanted to do today, like I said. But nevertheless, it's not a losing day like we had yesterday. So I'm just gonna wait for my FX book to update it so I can show you guys the this thing. But yeah, I don't really count today as anything. Today is more of a, I would call it just waste of time really, because ideally I would want two positions, because if I had two positions open, then I would have taken a lot more in terms of profit. But yeah, I don't care if the market can rise. It doesn't matter, because that's the, when I have just one position open, I don't really care, because that one position could have been a loss and I wouldn't really care, to be honest, because like I said, it's the first position I always use to trade with this strategy. It's not a position that I look to, to make decent profit upon, because I always use the lowest position possible. But yeah, so just have a look at my FX book. Let's hopefully it's been updated. Like I said, down a few weeks down the line, you're gonna see this is gonna start looking a lot more. Still have to wait one more minute before it can update. And I will be doing this every day, guys. Every day, 12 o'clock. Every weekday, anyway, 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock roughly. Today's gonna be a short one because the trade did not play out the way I wanted to. I didn't get to have my second position. Yesterday I had my second position. The market ended up being a losing day, but today I didn't get to add my second position. But it is what it is. Let's say you always have to, take whatever the market gives you, good or bad. Take it and come back the next day and execute your trade plan. Like so today the trade plan, I wouldn't say it worked, because I would have liked to have had two positions on it. So let's look at my FX. Hopefully it's updated now. Had a $30 profit, so I think it should be updated right now. Yeah, as you can see, it's updated, because it went from minus 23% to minus 17%. And yeah, so a few weeks down the line, you're gonna see a lot more kind of trend on this equity curve and everything. You're gonna see that, and you're gonna see a lot more statistics coming up to here as well, because so far I've taken 3 trades, as you've seen. So a few weeks down the line, you are gonna see things looking a lot more obviously so far for this month, because this is the last. I started on the 29th of September yesterday, so this month is gonna be a losing month because tomorrow is the 1st of October, and the history will tell you everything, to show you all the trades, all the profit and loss and everything. Like I said, at some point I will be putting the link to this in the video, hopefully from next week, once I get everything going, once I get every can I make the chat bigger? Just give me 1 second. So once I get the hang of using the right software to record this, to stream this, I will be able to there's still a lot of things I need to do. Even I need to get this track record and the privileges verified as well. That can all be done through the MT4 platform. So I will do that, and so that I'm hoping this is going to be able to help you guys see how it is. And like I said, the aim is to be able to kind of, I'm gonna, in a way, I'm glad yesterday was a losing day for me, because I didn't want to start on a, because sometimes you can start on a high, and then all of a sudden you can get cocky, try to show off and stuff. But no, this is like the reality of trading. It doesn't matter. Sometimes you can have a good month, you can have a bad month, you can have a bad day, you can have a good day, but it shouldn't kind of change your philosophy. It shouldn't change the way your strategy. It shouldn't change anything about, if you're familiar with your strategy, if you've taken enough trades on your strategy, you've seen the results, you should be able to come face the chart every day and be able to just follow your strategy. It doesn't matter, win or loss, it doesn't matter. It's all about following your strategy. Like I said, so far I haven't even had any winning trade. Like today, I wouldn't classify today's trade as a winning trade, simply because I never got to add to have second two positions open. I needed two positions for that to be an amazing, because that could have been on break even. So, but the market did not give me that. So now we just look forward to tomorrow and see what's going to happen tomorrow. So anyway, thank you guys for tuning in, and yeah, hopefully I'll see you guys tomorrow, same time, from 2 o'clock to roughly about 2-3 o'clock.